I'm Jamie Adams. We're sitting here in my office at our brand new store in Woodstock, Ontario that we just built over the course of the last year. Yeah, so this business opened back in 1963. It's got a 60-year history. I bought it in 2002. We did a big renovation in 2006 with the help of BMF as well, and it's kind of grew from there. So this location is 4 times the size of what we came from as far as acreage. It's also 4 times the size of store and multiple times the size of storage. It's brand new. It's designed with everything in mind that we've kind of learned over the years of things that our customers are looking for in a store and our staff's looking for to be more efficient. This place was designed with efficiencies in mind. It's designed for the pro customer, but the retail customer will definitely have some benefits out of it as well. In the evolution of our business, we decided that our own brand was the direction that we wanted to take the business, so we're now called Adams Building Supply, and our branding focuses around that. So we kind of brought that brand to BMF along with the colors. Their designers worked with us to tie everything together, the merchandising and from the color of the melamine and different options, and had some assistance from their design team just to make sure that everything tied together exactly as it was supposed to. So the overhead storage is pretty handy, and that is something that we're well versed in, having used BMF for this kind of thing before. There's no going to search for overstock in a back room. I mean, the overstock can be situated right where the product is. It's nice and easy for the staff to be able to count it all together, to be able to, find it, get it located on a shelf. It's just convenience and way more efficient than, having something located in a storeroom somewhere. So the LBM, the selling centers, are a very critical component of our store. We're all good at selling building materials. Well, this is going to put us over the top in our ability to show it to customers, touch and feel. Like windows, for example. We were always impressed at the amount of windows we were able to sell off a small little sample, never having a window display. Now it's professional. It's all in one area. It ties together. It's everything that you need. It's excellent. They liaise with the vendors on our behalf. They get all the marketing materials that are done. We just basically give them some direction as to what products that we want to see on there in conjunction with what the vendor would want to see on there. And we sit back and let BMF build it, and there it is. The install team was awesome, very efficient, on time, just a well-run machine. When we run into a challenge, it was overcome quickly, very responsive and very quick to be able to adapt to changing conditions. What BMF's done for us here puts us on par with any national corporate chain. It's a beautiful store. It looks professional. I want to thank BMF. To be honest, it was a tremendous experience working with them again. We have a good relationship and we work together well. We appreciate the responsiveness and the ability, how much they listened to us and worked with us and provided feedback on our ideas. It was a true team effort, and we couldn't have accomplished without them.